Well, here we are. Now, where are the lifeguards? No, can't see them anywhere. Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, Joe.
I'm Claire.
Hi, Kian.
Hello, Kian. We need to make our deliveries.
Will you help us?
Yes.
Great, let's go.
Joe! Kian! Come back. Deliveries.
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Goodbye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh? Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Hands up! Hands up!
I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah!
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream. Oh, wait here! Ice cream! Have some ice cream.
Ciao. Sam.
We've had a great day. Time to go home.